Welcome to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of discovering the next Amazon, Tesla, or Bitcoin before they became global giants? While it might seem like luck, there's actually a strategy behind finding these opportunities. In this video, we'll reveal proven techniques for spotting high-potential investments before the crowd. To find the next big thing, you need to track market trends. Focus on industries that address significant global challenges. Electric vehicles exploded as the demand for eco-friendly solutions increased, and artificial intelligence gained momentum as businesses sought efficiency. Keep an eye on sectors with rising consumer interest, government backing, or breakthrough technologies. Resources like CB Insights and industry reports from Gartner can help you identify where the future is headed. Venture capital firms are a great source of insight. They often back the most promising startups well before the public hears about them. By analyzing their investment patterns, you can spot sectors and companies with massive potential. Websites like Crunchbase or PitchBook allow you to track VC funding activity, giving you a glimpse into the industries poised for growth. Sometimes the best opportunities are hidden in plain sight. Companies with strong fundamentals such as solid earnings and a loyal customer base can often be overlooked by mainstream investors. Explore small cap stocks or businesses in underappreciated industries. Use tools like Yahoo Finance or Morningstar to assess financial health and long-term potential. This approach follows the same principle that made Warren Buffett one of the world's wealthiest investors. Disruption is a powerful indicator of future success. Companies that challenge conventional ways of doing business often revolutionize entire industries. Think of Airbnb's impact on hospitality or Tesla's transformation of the auto industry. Attend innovation expos or follow crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter to uncover the disruptors of tomorrow. Networking is key to staying informed. Online platforms like Reddit's Wall Street Bets and Twitter's FinTwit community are buzzing with early insights on hidden gems. LinkedIn is another valuable resource. Follow influencers in finance, tech, and venture capital to gain early exposure to groundbreaking opportunities. Not every opportunity is as promising as it seems. To avoid falling for hype, always conduct thorough research. Analyze the team behind the idea, its scalability, and long-term potential. Diversify your investments to minimize risks, and remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Spotting the next big investment isn't about luck. It's about preparation, research, and timing. By applying these strategies, you'll position yourself to uncover life-changing opportunities. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on navigating the world of finance and investing. Let's shape your financial future together.